Good morning. Where'd you come from?
Unfortunately, many victims like Jasmine don't.
Did you come to say hello? Hello, baby. Good morning, and how are you today? How's Rexy boy? Did you find a bone? He's got a bone. What? I know you need some too. I need to get you some. Ah, you've got bones in there. Get it? Where's your bone? Oh, she got bones. Oh, where's your bone? Oh, here's your bone. You got bones. He's got a bone. You lucky boy. Hey? Is he a lucky boy? Trying to give me kisses. What's your name? You dumpling? Explorer. Explorer. Good morning. Are you baldy? Good morning, Twinny. Has you got grubby head? What have you been eating? Grubby. Who's that? Is that you? Is that your twin? Hello, Twinny. You say good morning? Good morning. Good morning, my bird jumper. How are you today? Who's that? Is that you? It's pretty tricky, isn't it? How'd you get in there? Is that me too? Confusing you. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. What's going on? Is that you? Sarah, gorgeous. Got red eyes? Don't like looking at yourself. There's that. Cheeky. You got pomegranate on your face. Yes, you can destroy this jumper. You want a pat? Who's that? Like that. Hello. What's he doing? Nice. I'll be here all day. I love you. You say I love you. What's the doggy doing? Just needs that. He wants to play. Yeah. Oh. Who's that? Smokey. What's he doing, Smokey? Up there. Did you get it? Yeah? No. Oh. Get your tail. Quick, knock it down. My funny farm. Get it. Quick. Oh no. Up there and get your tail. You're funny too, yes. They say Smokey. Hello, Smokey. Hello, Smokey. You got your tail. You got your tail. I wonder who's that? Tumbling. You're funny. Oh, you're funny. Is that you? No? Who's that? Up there. Up there. Quick. Get your tail. I know it's empty. I've got to get you some more food. Crazy doggy dog. Hmm? Oh, crazy doggy dog. No, what are you doing? What's he doing, Smokey? He's saying good morning, giving you kisses. Oh, he's giving you kisses. Do you want kisses? You gonna give Explorer kisses? No. What's he doing? High fives. Oh, scaring the birdie birds. Bicycle. Be nice. Stop scaring him. You're getting scared. Wait, hi. No! Don't do that. That's a no. Thank you. You stay. Be nice. That wasn't nice. You can go outside if you're not going to be nice. Naughty birdie birds. I know. Down, lay down. You're getting too hypo. Lay down. That's my boy, hey? Got ADHD? What's he doing? Is he being a boy? You want pets? It could be here all day again. Yeah. I sure want a pet. Oh, put your head down. Oh, put your head down. Come here then. Ready? One hand. Oh, I got you. Chillax. Oh, you're so clever. Ready? Come here. Show me how to chillax. Ready? I got you. I got you. Step up. Ready? Step up. And ready? We can't do it with one hand, can we? No. Time to go. Bye-bye. Show me pretty wings. What's a pretty wing? This pretty wing? Oh, this is a pretty wing. Say bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. You just want to have another head rub. Hello. Is she a pretty girl? Are you a pretty girl? Is she a pretty girl? My twinnie? Your day. Say bye.